In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell Canva templates. Start by opening your web browser, going to canva.com, and signing into your account. Once you're in, click Create to start a new design. Choose the type of template you want to sell, for example, a logo template. Picking the right canvas size and category up front keeps your template organized and easy for buyers to use. Begin designing. On the left panel, open Uploads to bring in any images you want to include, then click Upload Files and select your image. Add text by choosing Add a text box, then type your placeholder copy, such as a business name or tagline. Make sure your text remains editable so customers can personalize it. Adjust the font style, size, and color from the top toolbar to create a cohesive look. To change the background, click the canvas background, open the color picker at the top, and select a color that complements your design. Keep contrast in mind so text stays readable. When your first page looks great, add a second page. This page will be your thank you and instruction page that includes the template link. It's what buyers receive right after purchase, so they can access and edit the template in their own Canva account. Now generate the template link. Click Share, choose Template Link, then click Create Template Link. This is different from a regular share link. It prompts buyers to use a copy, not your original file. Click Copy to copy that template link to your clipboard. Go back to your second page and select the text or button where you want the link. Click the three dots, choose Link, paste the template link, and click Done. Confirm everything looks correct, and click Done again to close any menus. It's time to package the file for delivery. Click Share, then Download. Under File Type, select PDF Standard and download your file. A standard PDF keeps the file size small and preserves your clickable link, making it perfect for digital delivery on marketplaces or your website. From here, repeat the process to create more templates. Explore on-trend styles and categories, like social media posts, business cards, or coach workbooks, and keep your elements well organized and editable so buyers can easily customize them. Finally, list your template for sale on platforms like Etsy, Rocket.ph, or your own website, and make sure you promote it. Use clear preview images that show what's included, write descriptions that explain who it's for and how it works, and highlight that the PDF includes a clickable template link. With consistent quality and a bit of marketing, your Canva templates can become a reliable digital product line.